All right, everyone, a quick update on Arcblock. So it's been a minute since we looked at Arcblock. So Arcblock's really not doing anything. We're starting here on the daily candles. You can see we're just going sideways here. And you can see we're sitting on support going from the low here to the high on this most recent of price action. So as long as the price stays around the 157 area here, you're holding up on that support level. And you can see we're also getting stuck right below the 382 here, 173. So just keep it simple. Once you get a candle close, a daily candle close over 173, then we can start focusing back on the high and looking at higher price targets here. And then, of course, watch that support level here. You can also notice that going from the low to the high, we did end up tagging the 618 here. So as long as we hold these levels, there's a good chance we'll push through 173, and then we can look up at that point. So we're just going to get this off of the screen. We're going to go zoom back out to the weekly chart where we've been watching this here. So any lower than where you are now at those levels, then you can see we do have a green box of support on the chart, and that simply represents going from the low here to the high, the 786 and the 236 from the low to the high here. So anywhere in this box, as long as we hold this, we are considered extremely bullish. And over the 786, of course, that tells me a new all-time high is in play at one of these levels here, which you can see we do have the let me move that. We do have the 1618 up here at about $16.50 for a $1.6 billion market cap. I do think that is very achievable for Arcblock here, and you can see from today, or from the breakout over the top here at 19 or 195 rather, is a 7x, and then if potentially we can hit a $15 billion market cap, you're looking at potentially an 80x up to a 15 billion market cap at about 158 on Arcblock here. Potentially it could go higher than that. I think a $15 billion market cap for something like Arcblock is, in my opinion, being conservative. So just take that with a grain of salt, I guess. But what do you guys think? Do you think these targets are reasonable, or do you think they're too high, or do you think it's going to go way past that? But I would take an 80x all day for Arcblock here. But you can see the overall chart for Arcblock, if we can just zoom out here. This is the Gate.io chart, by the way. The double top highs from back here in February and April of 2018. This is exactly where we're getting stuck at once again. So we really want to get a weekly candle close over the 195 area, and then that's going to tell us that these potential higher price targets are definitely in play at that point. But as of right now, we're still getting stuck at that 2018 high at the moment on Arcblock. So yeah, we'll just kind of leave it at that on ABT for now. She looks good at the moment. It's extremely bullish, by the way, and I would say it's only a matter of time before we bust through the resistance level here and start hitting these high price targets here. Now, I don't think I covered it, but if we do end up taking out those smaller support levels on the daily chart that we looked at, there is a chance that this thing's going to pull back down and retest the 786 and that smaller Fibonacci 236 here for support. So there is a chance, a slight chance, that we could fall. You can see anywhere from 35 to about 40% down to this box, this support box here, which even if you did that, Arcblock here is still extremely bullish for a move back up. And that would be a great discount, by the way, if it was to drop near 40% back down to 9.3. That would be prime buying opportunity, in my opinion. So we will leave it at that on Arcblock. Not financial advice. Good luck, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.